ebeshiame ese mmani jidie eso kwa biso ma me re eho ye ti ma me re ho ne se afi ma me hunu se edom bebre eni game so
degree, papa, I have a degree, and a new degree, and a papa degree, papa. Okay, that's your Bama. That's your Bama, Pia, Mama Pia, Mama Mosa, Mama Pia, Mama Pia, Asantini Bama, Asantini Bama, Odoba, we are Katachia, we are Bama, ayo katachie pia tutu ageta kora ni na pia
enti okatachie kwa me free for mensa aguna nyame aguna yokohene na me no kasai odani kire mu America mfie mienu atwam se wo besua de obepenimdie free kwasi kokko asase so aye law school opeso o chese ohuram na obe pabene when it comes to law ampa obabesua LLB na wawie katachi awie school no se woye esqua woye lawyer ni na no opiem wokumase opiem wonkran Ghana apagya ekwa frifa katachi agona nyame wopie ye Ghana fo abotwi ane airport wa no odene na wakasa na ano odin katachi opiem no se oda obi ase wakasa asante agona atrankonwa atu abofo ahemfo se wo mefo mo de hye ne mra wo wo fra America obi maso wo baaye wo betene mu a waye din mfie mienu achi na de ne wo hwehwe no ne nsaka asese nei wawie wa graduate as a law student nei wo ye lawyer wawie law no ne wo ye esquire una friend lawyer chese akasa obekọ Ghana na wakomakola na wakofifa mu ho na owie a wapem na ene wabaye lawyer ni wo Ghana eno so no enti katache media no waka ho bi wabai wakasa na wose ha John Mahama wose de obeye dede he bosuke na jai yesi mu didi kofu atem wose waba wono wo mu de besi ani Ghana politics any katachi anodeni abusia hweso da na ekoso wo kuma Accra say kura ya Accra International Airport na say Kotoka whatever it is but hwede ekoso
For the record is back. Yes. Ah! Unimadia, what's the idea? No, Unimadia. Ayabama, 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 Ayabama. Kujebaya, 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 Kubude, Kubude, Kubude.
Afrifa, Mensa,
degree, papa, I have a degree, and a new degree, and a papa degree, papa. I can tell you what, Bama, can tell you we are Bama, Pia, Mama Pia, Mama Mosa, Mama Asantini Bema. Asantini Bema. Ojogwa. Uya okatachie. Uya Bema. Eya okatachie. Pia. Tutu jetai kura. Ndini nama. Pia.
Papa ebeshiame. Ese mmani jidie. Eso kwa biso amamere eho. Yeti amamere eho ne se afi mama hunu se edom bebre eni gameso. Se betimi aye bibipa abobra pa bi na enchirima ayense na ho amo. Bonika so say it bestows on me a sense of responsibility. That responsibility ni ya na mekuko amu me gene ho a. Busama o question betimi aye ni. Nanso me ka se edom bebre apema asem no mo dom ye. Na mi free ba bi e ba no mo so mo ba be hia no a. Ye metimi aka nse me hye obi abo. Ehye nyame twedi ampon ne nana no mo. Said ye metimi aye wo wiase bia dia bo adasa. Eja dimpa ato on. Eno ana meye. Bibia ni wa meya. Emma nipa na ni ji ameye da. Na metimi aka.
Na amakobi ye beja wo no. Obaye no ukromfo sechrema ensufre wo. Saje no wo am no ne. Na honfo nso enu di nkomo na sign as so.
Said they make an any person. At every given point when the people call me to serve, I shall serve. And I shall serve not for my own benefit. But don't want to, nipa don't want to. Yeti America san say, yeah, na nanko bia hine. Ah, wono ya aguna man hine nanko bia hine. Ana ye tu no bofo so omra no magime emfa menko. Na sabi o sa nanano mo e tena si tu bofo so omra no magime emfa memra aguna. Edi ebio no mbeka chem se menya amenya. Eya so na me dem ba wiase me se me so me na minim nya me twedi ampon na na etutu manamo. Eri se se kyerefo se memra na memra masomo a. Me ne hwe ka me dem obo.
Ye mo katachi Afrifa abaso. Congratulations. Yem congratulate no katachi kwa Afrifa. Aguna nipa. Waya tie. Wo mo eta na chi obi bia no a wo support ye dase. Yeah, big thank you to everyone. Our support to katachi Afrifa. Ene wasapa adwumadie no jato na so befa. Na obekun edemane man ennei yenya ne ntie se obeginem ewa agona afija ho na ya hwe se member of parliament position no agona for the bema no a ye wa ha sei etofo mu a ye beta na chi wono an ye die no enti ye mo na baso katachi akwaba kwafifa akwaba agona nyame akwaba congratulations money yo ennei sadi wo ye okuma hia for that anti aba ne sei wakope emre wabe emre nim ni dia obeko dia ma hia for sadi nipa dodo no ye expect ne say obeko so no waye ni dwumadi ana odide boa eni biefo ne wo mo eni kamafo akwafifa e mo akwaba anotin nananum be chia no de
Sir, a baby free so na president be the bonnet where we are there where we are mine sika. Sir, a bind within 3 years, as you didn't quote court. It is a war on my penny for your crown for on my penny for my chrono. Nasa will buy it. When you are Tamils in the buy now, your vice president then. Now, my to me out for now court within 3 years. I'm Angelina Munim Jansen. Now, a Yanama Basabia. A member now across one, a month for the Batias, a Doomson was Abba, a member can come, a member Mekono. Nancy, a copper be near the back at us 1 year, depending what I want. We won't pay attention to that. We are going to pay attention to the very pertinent issues that borders the people. A command for the committee. That is the issues we are going to discuss. On my penny for TV chairman, I want TV chairman, and on for Dumsa Bahobe. On my penny for TV chairman, I want TV chairman, and for a Bank of Ghana, a car Bahobe. So we will not allow anybody to divert attention with this unnecessary conversation. We will decide the pace what we will discuss next.
Anu Ghana Chrono. Now about Ghana Chrono. On my penny for Frabem Tambay 2008. O Frabemuno, 1 minute bar by more. Almost on my penny for a from 4. Yes, sir. On my penny for Frabem 2008. O Frabemuno, Yebraya was so John Dramani Mama, no, a vice president of the government, Babesi so. Who read the Constitution of the Republic? Our Constitution is very clear. Sir, a baby free so not president be the bonnet where we are there where we are mine sika. Sir, a bind within 3 years, as you didn't quote court. It is a war on my penny for your crown for on my penny for my chrono. Nasa will buy it. When you are Tamils in the buy now your vice president then. Now my team for now court within 3 years I'm Angelina Munim Jansen. Na a Nyama Basabia, a member now across one, a month for the Batias, a Doomson was Abba, a member can come, a member Mekono. Nancy, a copper be near the back at us 1 year, depending what I want. We won't pay attention to that. We are going to pay attention to the very pertinent issues that borders the people. A command for the committee. That is the issues we are going to discuss. On my penny for TV chairman, I want TV chairman, and on for Dumsa Bahobe. On my penny for TV chairman, I want TV chairman, and for a Bank of Ghana, a car Bahobe.
So we will not allow anybody to divert attention with this unnecessary conversation. We will decide the pace what we will discuss. PNDC for NDC. Now, Abuan will run who go, Abuati, run who go, no far a young one who go for what's the sign? One won't take a man in cabinet as it. Or might be a monomocas freedom of speech, a freedom of praise. Freedom of speech is not freedom of praise. No matter how uncomfortable you are, Sasabio, Obiaka, Samina, Deno. So, you can be Mamma Kabia Tumwa. Where Metia, if you just a trace, and I'm saying, Metia, may say, my essence. Over here, near the animal be Omega, Pima Pima. Then so, Miniana, Momina, Master. It is what big casam, Nayamido. Samakas Media, understand, Nimuquadia. Yes, Sabio once to us on Jimmy Mumai. Normally, when you are teaching Nipana, divert your attention, let's say, Yababa. What we are going to do is that we will not allow them to set the pace for any conversation. We will decide the conversations we will have.
Capacity.